How to get directions to a Wendy's location from the locator. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Wendy's and then click on Find a Wendy's at the top. After you click on Find a Wendy's, here enter your city, state, or zip code. After you have entered a city, state, or zip code, simply press on Search. After you pressed on Search, you'll find all the locations available near you. Simply scroll down in all the locations. After you've scrolled down in all the locations, simply click on where you want to go. After you've clicked on it, on the right side you'll find a map. In the map, scroll down. After you scroll down in the map, you will find Get Directions option. Simply click on Get Directions in the map. It will lead you to different map. After it will lead you to different map, you can simply enter your own location or your device will take your location and then show you the way. And this is how to get directions to a Wendy's location from the locator. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.